Mini minds.
Hello, kids. Let's learn alphabets. Mimi, I think someone is coming.
Look! Big splash! Big tail!
Hello, I'm Wally the Whale. I love the letter W.
W is for whale. W-H-A-L-E. Whale.
Whale! Whale! Whale!
That's my favorite word. Hello, I'm Wanda the Worm.
W is for worm. W-O-R-M. Worm.
Hi, I'm Wendy the Wolf. W Wolf.
Wolf! W-O-L-F! Wolf!
W is for water. W-A-T-E-R. Water.
Splashy, splashy water!
W is for window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Peekaboo through the window.
W is for watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon.
Sweet watermelon!
Wow, wonderful.
Where are we going now?
To meet the letter X.
Hello, I'm Xander the Xylophone. I love the letter X.
X is for xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E. Xylophone.
Play a tune, Xander!
Xylophone.
X is for X-ray. X-R-A-Y. X-ray.
That's headphones!
W is for whale, worm, window, watermelon, water, wolf.
X is for xylophone and X-ray.
Yay! Letters are fun!
Bye-bye, friends! See you in the next adventure!